How to create a playlist on Lyra app. 1. Open the Lyra application. 2. Select library. 3. Select create a new playlist. 4. Select as in the video. 5. Select edit playlist. 6. Enter your playlist name. 7. Select save. 8. Select home. Search for your favorite song. 9. Select a song. 10. Select as in the video. 11. Select add to playlist. 12. Choose your playlist. Success, your favorite song has been saved in the playlist. Don't forget to like and subscribe.